My mic was muted. Hey, and welcome, guys, to. Can you see him? No, it's too small. Wait, oh, yeah. Anyway, the dog. Now from the other side. All right. Hey, and welcome to another episode of Blah Blah Trades. I'm here again. I'm fit again, at least partially. Like, I wouldn't say I'm fully here again, but enough to be on the charts. I followed the price action on Thursday and Friday as well. On Thursday and Friday? Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure about Thursday, but I guess it was on Thursday and Friday. I missed a huge opportunity on Wednesday, which is okay because um, they will come back again. Anyway, let's not talk too much and dive directly into the charts. Let me just adjust my mic a bit so I'm not too loud for you. There we go. All right. Yeah, so basically I got a bearish idea. I want to short. I wanted to short here already. That's -2 last week, so but yeah, I consider waiting until we reach this breaker here, and as soon as we reach it, I will go short. This was an opportunity here, which I haven't took because I want to see it go below the first retail market value gap from the 12th of March and retest this one here. So as soon as we close below this level here, I will activate my trigger for a sell order with my stop loss around here and my take profit somewhere here, which is the opening range gap. It should be rather the new week opening gap. Yeah, so basically, let's see. It's a bit risky. It's a bit risky though, because it's before opening, and this one is, yeah, it's barely about I don't know how much, like 42, 46, 4 points above the last day high. So we could go high, we could go there, but I don't believe. I think we will go lower throughout the opening, um, at least to the half point here. I consider taking partials here, but yeah, maybe I don't do it. So yeah, maybe I go full throttle just until we hit the new week opening gap because I guess we will do so. Yeah, it's a bit risky because we got this breaker here, this order block here on the same height as we have our um, come on, opening range gap. Like it's not the opening range gap yet because we haven't opened yet, but yeah, it will be somewhere there, I guess. Let's see. Let's see how this turns out. First, I want to see it close below this breaker here, and then I would consider going short. It's not good visible at all, man. It's not visible at all. But somewhere here, I guess. Limit order with 2, 130, risk 179, profit. It's okay. I guess we can go to 3. Yeah, it's a bit better in terms of risk to reward. Um, yeah, and let's try to let's try to fucking trade the opening. It's the first time I do this with that account, and I will do it live. I will try it. I get a feeling that we will go lower. Maybe I'm completely wrong and I fuck my funding up, but yeah, I guess we will never know if we never try. So this seems like a job for me. Everybody come and follow me. Yeah, this looks like I can set my short here. I'm shaking a bit, like I'm not sure with this at all. Let's see. Yeah, I'm fine with it. That's okay. Ooh, it's no joke here. Let's see how this turns off. Out, not off. Hopefully not off. Hopefully more out than off, but we will see. This is a level of huge interest to me, though. I want to see how price is reacting there, because yeah, like it could reverse here. It's the beginning of the order block. Mm, let's see. Let's see what price is doing. And just see this here is, it's a bit too close. Let's put it here. That's fine. Stop loss is 40 points away from, stop loss is 40 points away from now. Yeah, which is okay. Which is okay. It's not good. What I want to see right now is testing it. If we reach this level again, I want to see test. I don't want to see it close again in it. But I got a feeling if it goes in there, it immediately stops me out. Like I don't think we will go in there and just consolidate here or move slow. If we go in here and close in there, we will go with speed up there. And if not, I think I'm fine. Like I want to see a reaction here on this level. Um, and going lower. Like I don't want to see it being able going back into the real-time offer value gap from the 12th of March. In fact, I would love to see it um, just smash down. What gives me a bit of concerns is that we had this wick here, right? We took out the sell side here. Yeah, it's a bit strange. It's a bit strange to me though that we had this move, but yeah, I mean, let's see. Let's see. We still got an opening range from how much? Yet we are on 40, 40, 50 points. It's not good, but it's okay. We still haven't reached the um, you know what? I think I close. Should I close? No, I leave it open. If I lose, I lose. If I stick with it, that's good. Let's see. Maybe I take partials on the order block. Mm. We close this fair value gap, and oh man, I want to stay in, but I want to go out because yeah, it's not my pattern, right? It's not my pattern, and like it's my pattern, but it's not my time. Let's put it this way: it's my pattern because we hit it second last week's low, but it's not my time because we're not in a macro. And Uppsala, why we see the profit here? This should be ticks. It's good. It's okay. It's okay. Nobody cares about my um, few dollars profit or losses, right? Um, yeah, this here is a level I want to see. Oh, that's wrong. I want to see the horizontal. Horizontal. There we go. This here is the beginning of the order block, so I can drag this down. I want to see it come again above this one. So as soon as we shoot through this, and I don't know, maybe if we are, I don't know, man. I don't know what to think about this. Mm. So yeah, I will take one off here on the order block. Um, where is trade? There we go. It's buy limit. Nah, I'm out. This is too hot for me though. No, like it will go down there because this is pretty obvious, but yeah, I don't know. It's not my pattern. Why should I risk it um, with not being sure just to take a trade because I was ill instead of just waiting patiently and watching how it turns out. That looked funny with my hair. I was like, yeah. Anyway, maybe I go back in after the opening, but I want to see how it will react. Oops. Oh man, come on. I want to see how it will react on this here. Um, Wait a moment, hold on. Why can't I see my? There we go. We made $1.98. So yeah, there we go. Am I annoyed? Maybe a little bit. Am I cool with it? Absolutely. Like, I was right, and um, although I closed the trade early, which is fine for me, because um, because I have to get familiar with this pattern as well. And if it turns out to be good, I can um, do it in future. But I don't have to necessarily. I like my trading is not depending on this one trade, right? So let's see. Mm. We can talk a bit about. Um, Hold on. I'm back again. Hold on, give me a second. All right. Mm, yeah. So basically, I forget what I wanted to say. Um, yeah. It's like we got. We were on this level here. We have this level here. So many indicators saying that we have to go lower. So that's why I think we will go lower, and I think we will catch at least the new week opening gap here. That's why I was pretty sure in taking that short. But yeah, let's just figure out how the opening is doing, because yeah, like what gives me the thought that I can go through the opening in the trade is that we had minor impact in the new week opening. Like for Monday, there was zero point 0.5 ticks difference to Friday's close, which is barely nothing. And also we had um, news impact on 8:30, which has gone higher. Right now, this is something I want to see how price is reacting here. And yeah, we have a reaction, but I want to see it stay below. And if we stick and stay below it, I will go short here. I just don't want to see it close within or above the real-time order value gap from the 12th of March. Um, yeah, so basically, that's it. And I don't want it to see it close within it neither. Like that looks pretty good to me. Hold on, I have to make a call. All right. Um, so that's what I don't want to see. I'm happy to be out of the trade. Hold on. Give me a second again. All right. There we go again. So, due to the fact that we weren't able to even get to the 50% level, and we retraced strongly, um, I want to see how prices is doing on two special levels. One we already made it through. It's this one here. It's the last day high, and this is the second previous last week's low. Mm, maybe I get my pattern, maybe not. I would have been stopped out here, and that's pretty cool that I left the trade earlier. Like that's what I mean. Although it was pretty obvious to me, like I thought it is obvious, I would have lost my ass on this. Sorry if I cough, still, but I'm not healthy yet. At least not total. Yeah, anyway, so I want to see how we react on the second previous last week's low. Second previous week's low. And yeah, from there on, I want to see. Like we got major things I'm looking at right now. This is um the high of this fair value gap here, the C of this level here. I don't know why it's not marked out. It's the 986.5, 986.5, 986.06, and we're good. It's the C. It's the daily. Come on, C, E, we. There we go. Oh, come on, I forgot something. I don't want it here. I want it here, and I want it here. Okay, we good. Yeah, also we have this level here. I want to see the reaction on it. and if it can hold it. Also the CE here, which is yeah like near to the daily CE. Um, and yeah, let's see if we can hold this level and how we continue from here, right? This breaker, by the way, we tested to this for the second time. So I need this one. I don't need this one for now. But to be honest, this looks more like a breakaway day for me. What I mean by that is we have gone lower, just like a bear flag and bull flag, and yeah, like now will shoot the rest of the day simply higher. So it seems to me um, like something of that kind mm, of trading. So this is the no, we want the first real-time offer gap to stick with those. All right, this is the first real-time offer gap from today. First real-time offer value gap from the 7th of March. Alrighty. So for today we can make it red. Put it above so we don't not that distracted. All right, okay. Yeah, as I said, like I think we go high right now, at least for the AM session. At least for the AM session, this looks pretty obvious to me that we just look for higher prices, and maybe we will retrace to the first real-time offer value gap at around 11, the retracement hour. Maybe we will. What's wrong with my hoodie here? That's way better. I guess at 11 o'clock we will see a retracement maybe to one of those three levels, second previous week's low or the last day high or the high or middle level of the first return marshall value gap from today. But in general, I think we will go higher. And do I think we have bottomed here? No. Nope. Nope de dope de dope. I don't think so. I really don't think so. Mm-mm. No way. Also, we left the London range low, as well as the Asian range low, as well as these lows, and the last day low, which was Friday, and also the last week's low intact. So um, maybe we will run today, and I guess that's it. Like I think we will make the high of the week today. Maybe tomorrow, but in general, I expect the week to be bearish. What a nice run, isn't it? I don't even have a real goal for the upside, but probably somewhere on the CE. We delete this on the CE or on the volume imbalance. Maybe we just undo the displacement from Monday, like last Monday. Let me see what's the ATR. Mm, oh, that was a bit too much. So we need a 7 RMS, okay, and chart. Oh no, we don't want to wait for the. Oh, come on, we don't want to wait for the close. Should be the same. 500, 500. Should be the pretty near to the high at least. Yeah, like the high of the Monday would be 590, and 500 would be somewhere around here. So probably the conquer encouragement of the of the week, either from our 4-hour candle or from our daily candle here, at the as the terminus for today, like terminus for the candle, not for me. Mhm. I really consider taking um, a long when we drop into the first real-time hour from today, real-time hour fair value gap from today, and then bounce back higher over the second previous week's low. And if we bounce on that, that would be my bounce, shoot through it, bounce on it, and into some kind of a fair value gap, and that would be my entry, somewhere around here. Maybe an inversion would be even cooler. Would be pretty difficult because it means we had to go from here with the displacement lower, and then again here with the displacement higher. Could be. Could be. Do we have more numbers today? Mm, mm-mm. Nothing important, at least. That's interesting. We don't have any numbers tomorrow, like nothing in orange or red. Wednesday's crazy. We have federal funds rate. Hold on. Fund rates are tomorrow. And the next ones are in May on the 7th, right? Yeah. All right. That's interesting. So due to the fact that Trump is literally doing everything to see tax cuts, we could see them, and as soon as we have lower tax rates, not tax rates, rates, I would um, I think that yeah, I think that we will go higher when we see lower rates. Mm, like I think this will happen in hold on in June. No, in May. I think lower rates will come to fruition into May, and not yet. But maybe I'm wrong. And if I'm wrong, if we see lower rates right now, I would switch my bias into bullishness, even for this week. Um, yeah, but as I said, I don't think we will get or we will see tax cuts until May. So that's the retest. Way earlier, I thought it will kick in. And right now it's depending on the reaction from the first retime after value gap we are currently in. That's huge. We are not even in the macro and we fall 100 points. And this makes not even sense as a fake out because we took nothing out right now yet. So if we go higher from here, I think we go higher. Like I don't think we go lower, but I'm confused how the price action is behaving. But I said it and I do it. It's macro. We have my inversion level, and as soon as we go above it, um, I will take a long. I'm not feeling that secure with it, but I have to come out of my comfort zone, right? It's literally not my pattern, but a pattern I saw very often, and maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Either or, it's not killing me, so Fuck it. Holy moly, the stop is that's huge. That's really huge. Do I want to do that? I don't know. I really don't know. Let's see how it's closing. Could this turn into a seek and destroy then? No, no. We have our up move is way too strong to give us a seek and destroy. So yeah, so basically I have my inversion here, like exactly the inversion I wanted to have. Time to make me buy. Right. Oh man, this feels so uncomfortable. Unbelievable that everything happens at once when I want to set up freaking trade. It's you can't tell this anyone. My earpods just connected to my computer, disconnected from my phone. My phone is going wild right now. I don't know what's wrong with this life, but sometimes it's and I missed my trade. Do I? Do I miss my trade? Let's see. Yeah, I think so. This will go without me, and I do not run right now behind it. I missed 20 points. So, yeah. Anyway, this is for a level, and why is this yellow? I don't get it. I don't get this level here. I mean, it's supposed to be some C of a wick, but yeah, I don't see the. I really don't like this price action. It isn't giving me really a clear direction, is it? No, I learned something. If there is too much action around me and things distracting me, I'm I'm not taking the trade. I literally um, would just take it out of taking a trade and not sticking to my pattern. And if my head is not in the charts, I shouldn't take it. And I'm fine with price going without me. Like rather price going without me instead of taking a loss. So I'm okay. I'm okay with that. So let's go back to the fund rates again. We got um, how long is the press conference on Wednesday of the FOMC? mm, it's not shown here. Yeah, so Wednesday will be high volatile due to FOMC fund rates, statement, press conference. On Tuesday we got nothing, no news. And Thursday we got unemployment. Oh, hold on, wait. This is at FOMC. So yeah, FOMC is around 2 p.m. 2:30, which means we could trade the AM session. Yeah, let's see. But for now, it doesn't really look like I will take something today. Although still, Asia and London is looking very good to me. But first, I would want to see price. We already took it. Um, the daily high of the 12th March, which is here, this one. So depending on the reaction, on the first return offer value gap from today. We could go lower, but I still think we will go up and touch the counter encouragement at least 4 hour or daily from the wick before we attack all those lows we left. This could be a volume imbalance, isn't it? It's close with 746.75 and the open 746.75. No, it's on point. Yeah, I think we will go higher. Like we respect the first return hour for value gap from today. We hold our bodies above the last day high, and as long as we do that, as long as we do not close below the last day low on a 1 minute basis, I I stick to the narrative that we will go higher today. And if we close below the return marshall value gap, also on a 1 minute basis, like below here, 721, I think about changing the narrative to attacking lower prices. So price isn't looking really the price isn't really respecting the last day high by attacking it from below, so it just goes through it without any resistance compared to the difficult time it had to go below it when it attacked it from the upside. So just strengthen my idea that we will go higher. That's something I don't like to see. Multiple up and down candles, like zigzag in a level which should be high resistance. Normally there should be one reaction of it, like we does it, we've done it here at the 950. That's something I want to see on such a level, just wicking in through it and immediately leaving it without spending too much time in it. But that's a mess. That's something I don't want to see. Giving me this is giving me um, high resistance liquidity run vibes. Would I go long? No. No, there's like I believe in it, but there's nothing which is giving me the giving me an entry which I could defend. Like not at all. Would be just blindly going in. As I said, like it gave me what I wanted to have, the inversion level, even a lot of times. Like we have it here, inverted here, inverted here, inverted here, and now we're about to invert it again, which makes a strong, really, really strong inversion level if we're able to make the displacement right now on a 1 minute basis. Um, and yeah, like this would be something like one, two, three, four, fifth um, inversion with the fact that we hold price above, yeah, there it is, price above the regional offer value gap, and yeah. But yeah, I will not long it in the inversion level. Not my pattern. It's interesting. We made a strong wick, but weren't able to close with the body above the um, second previous week's low with both bodies, like the last one and the one before. And now we're testing again the return offer value gap. No, this is not giving me the the sign that it wants me to participate. Not at all. Being caught in a long right now would, I still think it would lead to the result, like to take profit, but with pain, with a lot of uh, consolidating around the entry, staying for a long time in drawdown until it takes out the terminus. Terminus here would be just a high. Like I think um, I would have I would have entered at 766. So basically the inversion I talked about before, and take profit around 850. So I will play this game a few times, and if I'm right, more often than wrong, I will implement this as a secondary strategy. But for now, I stick to my signature one. I have to get rid of the fear there, and then I'm fine. I mean, usually the signature one is how much? 100 points plus. If I'm not so stupid and close it prematurely because I'm afraid. Also, I've written something on this sheet. Also, I want to check strategy on the power hour because I made my observations and I have a feeling that if we make a huge displacement and a liquidity grab in the PM session, the power hour is making most of the time the retracement. And if this is true, either the power hour or this strategy right now will be my secondary. And then I'm fine with going with two strategies for at least a certain amount of time until I'm confident with them and I can do them while sleeping. And then I think about implementing a third one. And then I think I covered everything, right? Because with the power hour, I got the PM session with two strategies on higher time frame key levels, which is last day low and continuation, or last day low or high and reversal. Should be enough. I want to see it close above the yellow level. That's enough for me to stick to my idea. So I still think we will take out the high. And maybe maybe then we will go lower. But maybe not. Maybe we just go higher. I don't really know. As I said, I got as my targets for today this level here and this level here. I think we will close somewhere there, which would mean we would disrespect this level here, and I wouldn't like to see this for further bearishness. But yeah, we have to see how price is developing. So we can close this one. I don't think I will make a trade today anymore. We can put this one a bit more down like this. On the other hand, we had also like several down weeks, 4 in a row. Could be time to create an up week. Could be time. I mean, we will see it. Wednesday will show it. I think the fund rates will be strong indicator. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Man, I absolutely hate it. We got the same price action like we had before I got ill. Um, Huge wicks, small bodies since the opening, basically. Um, yeah, I'm like I still think we will go to the high. Don't get me wrong there, but just the thought of being in a trade that long with not move no movement at all. I mean, we made 96 points in yeah, okay, in 10 minutes. That's not that bad, but it's not good neither. I will turn off the stream at 11 o'clock. I I don't see any value in staying longer with it. Like I don't see a possibility that I will enter a trade at or until 11:30 or 11:15 or 11. I just want to stick to the chart for right now to see if it's reaching the high and level I lined out, or if I was wrong. And as soon as it takes out the high, I said before, I'm fine and I'm closing. Or the other way around, if it's closing below, let's see, if it's closing below 19,714 before 11 o'clock, um, I will stick until we reach the opening range gap. That's wrong. That's the opening range gap below here. Um, and after that, I will close. I mean, we start to do the same thing on the 1 minute right now. This confuses me. We have a strong move to the downside. Like if we just look at the 15-second chart, this consolidation here, and then we had a strong move to the downside, right? And we respected the level of the return market value gap to the tick and retraced in such a speed and um, this action is in contradiction to me for me to each other. Because I don't feel the bearishness at all, to be honest. But neither do I feel the bullishness, so maybe it's just not my price action. There we go. Let's see if we're able to close below it. I try to take something out of the price action since the opening, but except that all of the versions, I don't really can take something out of it. I mean, we violated the minor sell side on 1 minute 2 times now with that special wick. It was the second time, and no buy side, but we made two relative equal highs. I don't know. Let's see if we were able to close below it now. I consider leaving my bias and just staying on the sidelines and watching without narrative or bias or anything. There we go. Yeah, I close below. I leave it without any idea. Interesting. So I just want to see what price is doing now. And now we retest the first return after the gap from below. We have a difficult time even staying in it. And right now, if we test it from below and we just touch it gently and um, move away from it, that would indicate to me that we will go lower. Again, 100 points to the 19,650. Yeah, just like that. And I don't want to see it go any more into it. If it does so, um, I'm not, I'm without any idea. Yeah, like we did it. We answered more than I wished to. So my idea is not that valid anymore. So I don't have any idea. I don't have any idea. Let's see. Hold on. There we go again. All right. But we still respecting the first reach hour survival gap. I mean, we hold the bodies below. Wicks can surpass the half point of it. Hmm. What a day, what a prize action. Absolutely no entry for me. Neither to go short nor to go long. I would have lost my ass multiple times, multiple times. Like even here, that was lucky that I took over my subconsciousness and decided to close it. But uh, um, that's not smart. That is not smart. Still, I would have no idea where to enter. we took out this low here, 930 low. And basically we took out a lot of sell side, at least the intraday sell side for today. So if we go higher now and take out the highs, this is just seek and destroy. And it really seems like we will do that. It really, 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 really seems like we do that. I mean, yeah, some could argue right now this is a breaker. We took out the sell side here. But yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. But we stayed with the bodies inside of the first written early gap. Let's see how this plays out. ICT wrote a lot today in his Telegram channel. I will read through this later because I'm very curious about this inversion thing. We respect the first retail motor level of the body a lot. Let's see. Let's see. Let's this one red as well. So we just go in tandem with the colors. But hard resistance in the AM could lead to low resistance in the PM. So for me, it's not important because I will not, I will watch, but I will not participate in the PM session. But shout out to those who do. Yeah, but it really looks like we will still, I think this could end up in seek and destroy. Attacking a high right now, then we had it all. Like we took it a low. Well, let's take this aside, but we made a high, made a low, made another attempt to take out the high, did not reach it. Took out the low, made another high, but we just Made lower lows, so to be seek and destroy would need to take out the high right now. Otherwise, I would have misunderstood the price simply. By the way, what is ES, DXY, and so on? Mm, Pretty similar. We have a divergence here. See. Mm, Also, the DXY is going lower. I think we will go higher. We will take out the high. Maybe this was a fake out to catch short sellers market and also to liquidate the buyers. And now I think we will go higher. Like too many things are right now telling us we got the divergence here in the NQ compared to the S&P, which is major, and you can also include the Dow into the divergence. Then we have the dollar, which is going lower, which indicates we should go higher. Um, we are not able to close below high resistance, which would be the opening range gap. We weren't able to go to the opening range gap low. And hold on, where are we? um, yeah, and I assume lower prices throughout the week, so it would be just normal or just thinkable that we could make the high of the week today or tomorrow or end tomorrow. So now we um, read the 3 time hour for value gap from above and stay in it. It's really it's a cloud show today. And it's okay. Like I have to stick to the pattern I do, and as soon as we reach finally 50k 500, I will switch to minis. I will switch to minis, and then we will have a lot more money we trade with. I mean, we do not respect any level. That's crazy. You see it here. We have the last day high, which is normally a pretty strong. I don't assume you to think that about second previous week's low, but the last day high and low normally is some level of reaction, but now we had no reaction there. I mean, yeah, before the beginning of the AM session we had it, but since, not really. Yeah, so I will close the stream at 11. There's nothing I can say because there is nothing I can see. I mean, we're just inside of the first region of the value gap. We have it now on the 1 minute as well. Like we got a lot of wicks, not that big bodies compared to them. Um, so I really don't like the price action. We have gone above the real Martha value gap, traded within it. We've gone below it. It's it's annoying. It is annoying. Do we have today the possibility that tracement after displacement critical up on the PM? Let's see what the PM will do. And maybe we do the power hour. Maybe I make a live in the power hour. Maybe not. Let's see, depending on how price is doing so far. Now we respect it from above. We attack from above. We respect this level. We respect this level here again. Like you can delete this for this right now. You see it here. respected with the body here, with the wicks here. Yeah, we draw it a bit outside the line, but this is permissible. But the bodies are respecting it totally, like totally. Maybe I'll bring this into the front. Here we go. And center. No, I will turn off in 6 minutes. There is literally no reason for me to stick to it. This is making me sick again. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. On the Tuesday, no, on the Wednesday, there was such a beautiful trade, and I was completely knocked out. Like I don't even was able to go out of my bed. So not even considering looking at the charts, but I had 2 days. I was fully knocked out. And one of those days delivered my pattern. Typical. I don't get a price action today. I don't get it at all. Yeah, so that's nothing I want to be involved in. We touched the, by the way, we touched the volume imbalance right now after 15-minute here. This one, but yeah, as I said, like this is nothing I want to be involved in, not at all. Well, I spend the time on my phone because I'm not interested in this one. And now it's 11 o'clock and I'm closing the stream. I thought maybe something will happen which changes my mind, but no, no, it hasn't happened. It will not happen. I'm not interested anymore. I will close the stream here. I will be back tomorrow at 9:15, maybe 8:15, but I consider strongly that I will be here at 9:15 because we got no news tomorrow. And on Wednesday, I will be here at 8. No, Wednesday, we got, hold on. Yeah, let's speak about tomorrow. I will be here tomorrow at 9:15. Maybe I do today the power hour, but I don't think so. This isn't looking to me like PM will take out anything. So yeah, I will end the stream here. Have a nice Sunday, and I will